I've reviewed so many products from the brand Forest Essentials before, and I'm just going to be reviewing another one today. But this one is for the hair. It's the Intensive Hair Repair Mask, and this is what the jar looks like. It's designed to protect, repair, and nourish the hair deeply. The description reads as it's a rich and creamy pre-shampoo hair mask which needs to be put on before you get into the shower, and it should be put on dry hair. I'm not a big fan of Indian natural hair products as they do leave my hair really frizzy and dry. I bought this because this just smells so divine. Now, the description does say you can add an egg, but I'm not a big fan of adding fresh ingredients to my hair. So no yogurts, no eggs, and I just went ahead and used the mask by itself. Before you start using this, I suggest to thoroughly brush the hair, removing all the knots and tangles, and then scoop about a tablespoon, and you want to start using this at the very start of your forehead, then slowly massaging this to the midsection of your hair, and then taking it down to your nape and your neck, not forgetting the rest of your hair and your ends. Once I was done putting the mask all over my scalp and hair, I tied it up and left it for about an hour. Now you can leave it for 30 minutes to an hour. I just felt to get the best results, I left it on for an hour. Once the time was up, I washed my hair as usual with a shampoo and then following up with the conditioner. So once out from the shower and my hair got to drying a little bit, I noticed that my hair did feel really soft and smooth, and it wasn't that frizzy. As my hair got dry, my scalp got itchier, so I pulled out my scalp camera only to look at my scalp and notice that it did leave some kind of residue. Keep in mind that I do wash my hair twice when I shampoo it. Even after doing so, I did see some residue in my scalp, so I had to go back the next day and wash that thing off. So I tried this a couple of more times, and every time I tried to use this, I did notice that my scalp was getting itchy, and that's only because this did leave some kind of residue in my scalp. So I'm not going to be recommending it. However, if you do have fine hair, you could try and see whether this works for you. And for those of you who do have generally oily or dandruff-prone scalp, I wouldn't recommend using this at all. I like to use any kind of hair treatments maybe every 15 days or twice a month. I'm going to be adding the ingredient list here for you to read. Forest Essentials is an Indian brand and is a cruelty-free company. I got mine from the Mumbai airport. They do have a duty-free store, and I'm going to also link their website in the description box down below. They do have a lot of skincare products, a lot of hair care products that you can go and check out. For those of you who don't know, Forest Essentials is a luxury Ayurvedic company and 100% Ayurvedic. This is priced at about 1,525 rupees, which kind of works out to $20. And it does come in a 200 grams plastic jar. I have reviewed products from Forest Essentials before, and if you want to watch that, I will put it up here in the top right hand corner for you to go ahead and watch. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. I would really appreciate that. And if you want to see more, I suggest you hit that subscribe button. I make videos now every Thursday, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you soon. Bye!